Alright guys, welcome back to my channel. As you could already tell from the title, I'm going to be showing you guys how to get this super defined, not frizzy at all, curly hair. Bruh. So basically, I have completely hit rock bottom, and today is definitely time for me to wash my hair after spending the whole weekend at the pool and at the gym. So I wanted to kind of come on here and give you guys a little bit of an updated wash and go curly hair routine. It's summertime, not a lot has changed. Only a few things have changed, more in like the affordability aspect of it all. So if you want to see how I got my hair looking from this trashery to this, stick around. Alright guys, so I started my wash day using the Garnier Whole Blends Olive Replenishing Shampoo and Conditioner. I've been using this shampoo and conditioner combo for the past few months and would highly recommend trying them because they're both super affordable, silicone free, give lots of slip, and are super moisturizing. So when I get out the shower, I pretty much always apply a leave-in conditioner on my soaking wet hair so that the products I use can soak right in. Today I'm using the DevaCurl 1 Condition, which is actually a conditioner but works just as amazing as a leave-in as well. When I'm not using this, I use the DevaCurl Super Cream Coconut Curl Styler as a leave-in, but I recently ran out and I'm being super cheap right now as usual, so here we are improvising. So before I start applying my styler, I always section off my hair. You guys have seen this in my past videos. I know that applying your styler section by section takes like 2 whole freaking decades, like I know. But I rather take the time out to do my hair in this method and have my wash and go last for a while than to rush the process, because I'm literally not about to be doing this routine more than once or twice a week. That would literally like give me a heart attack. Like, to do this more than once or twice a week would literally have me in the hospital. I cannot. So as for styler, you guys already know I'm using the Shea Moisture Curl Enhancing Smoothie. I know a lot of people either love or hate this product, but this has actually been one of my absolute favorites since almost the beginning of my curly hair journey. And it's like one of the only products that I always have gone back to, even though I've tried like a bazillion different stylers. I know that this product is going to give me good results most of the time, and the great thing about it is that it mixes well with a lot of other hair products. So as you can see, I'm applying the curl smoothie section by section like I said earlier, and I'm pretty much finger combing the product in until my hair feels nice and smooth to the touch. I add water to pieces that I feel are dry and need more moisture. For me, keeping my hair nice and wet is key throughout the whole process to make sure your wash and go is nice and moisturized at the end. So after I'm done applying the styler, I do a little zigzag part in the middle of my head, which always comes out like a hot mess, as y'all can see. I do this because it creates volume in the center of my hair when it dries, and also because I don't really like a straight middle part. My bangs decided like a long time ago that they will never grow. Like, they just decided that, and they look a little weird parted straight down the center, so I like the zigzag because it gives that little bit of extra volume. So last but not least, it's time for gel. I have been loving the Uncle Funky's Daughter Curl Stimulator Gel, which actually comes with a pump that is super clutch. I just took it off recently because I was traveling. I apply the gel in prayer hand formation on both sides of my head like usual. I like this method a lot because it really smooths down the hair and gets that last bit of frizz down and clumps the curls nicely together. So after our wash and 20 years later, like I always say, is finally done, you can either diffuse or let your hair dry, whichever you like the most. I like to diffuse most of the time because it's quicker. So yeah guys, this is my curly hair routine. It's how I usually go from looking like this horribleness, y'all see this, to my bag of shmoneyness look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe. I love you guys, and I'll see you in my next video.